Struggling to sync your iCloud calendar on your iPhone? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to easily sync all your appointments with your Apple Calendar. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. To sync your iCloud calendar, first, you need to make sure your iCloud account is enabled. Here is how. Solution 1. Sync all events for iCloud account. To do this, open the Settings app. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Apps. Next, tap on Search. Type in Calendar. Find the Calendar app in the search results. After that, open it up. Scroll down. Tap on Sync. Select All Events. Solution 2. Sync iCloud with the Calendar app. Open the Settings app. Then tap on Apple ID. Scroll down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on See All right next to Save to iCloud. Look for Calendar in the list. Make sure the toggle is turned on. If it's already on, try turning it off, then turn it back on again. Solution 3. Offload the Calendar app. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down again and tap on iPhone storage. Find Calendar in the list. Tap on Offload App. Then tap Offload App again to confirm. Then tap on Reinstall App. There you go! That's how you can sync your iPhone calendar with iCloud. If you have any questions or need further help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for watching!